Ako po si Atasha Mulak at yung tatay ko ay si Aga Mulak. My dad is the sweetest person who's raised me and taught me so many things in life. He is also the nicest person and one has a special trait of making anyone smile, and what I love about him is how selfless and grounded he is. Happy Father's Day, Dad! Thank you for putting up with me and being my partner in crime for everything, lahat ng kulitan ko, lahat ng celebrations ko, at lahat ng milestones. He's always there by my side, guiding me and supporting me. Love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day!
Tatay ko po si Karsten Eistrup. He has always held a special place in my heart. The memories of our time together, especially nung 3 years old pa po ako, ay isa po sa mga chine-cherish ko hanggang ngayon. Even though we may be apart, I know to myself that I love him so much, and I am very grateful to have him as my dad. I just want the world to know, lalo na po sa mga Dabbercads, that no matter the circumstances, my dad has always been a source of love and inspiration for me. I love him deeply and I wish him all the happiness in the world. I hope he knows just how important he is to me. I love you, Dad.
This ain't Texas, ain't no holder. So lay your cards down, 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 down. So pack your Lexus and throw your keys out. Stick around, round, 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 round. Stick around, and I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar for me, honey, too. It's a real life boogie and a real life photo. Don't be a wish, come take it to the floor now. Woo! There's a tornado in my city. Hit the basement, nothing and pretty. Run with, cause we survived. A bread cup kisses, sweet redemption, fast time, yeah. This ain't Texas, ain't no holder. So lay your cards down, 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 down. So pack your legs and throw your keys out. Stick around, round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come put some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real life boogie and a real life road. Don't be a witch, come take it to the floor now. Woo!
Tatay ko si Teddy at siya ang aking #1 fan mula noon hanggang ngayon. Makulit pero mabait, bugnutin pero loves pa rin namin. Mananga kaming lahat sa kanya. Pero si tatay, mapagmahal yan at maalalahanin. Yan yung secret niya na alam naman naming lahat. Tough love minsan pero #softy talaga. Naalala ko nga nung mga bata pa kami, sumasama kami kay tatay kapag luluwas siya kasi pinagsha-shopping niya kami. Hanggang ngayon nga na may mga asawa na kaming magkakapatid, ganun na ganun pa din siya. Bibilhin niya yung mga bagay na alam niyang magugustuhan namin. Malambing talaga yan, mahiyain lang. Pare-pareho lang kami. We got it from our tatay. Happy Father's Day, Tay! Thank you for everything and thank you for being my #1 fan. I love you! Char. Nahiya? Ganun nga kasi kami.
Tatay ko si Wally. Siya ay mapagmahal, hardworking, supportive, at higit sa lahat, sobrang kwela na tatay. Favorite bonding ko with Papa ay ang paglaro namin ng video games at pag-travel. Alam niyo ba na hindi lang siya malakas kumain, magaling din siyang magluto. Yan ang tatay ko. Happy Father's Day, Pa. I love you.
Tatay ko si Paolo Ballesteros. Gagawin niya ang lahat para mapasaya ako. Ipinakita niyo sa akin na palaging may mas maliwanag na panig sa lahat. I love you, Daddy!
Hi, my name is Yesha Manalo. Mayor Jose is my dada. My dada is a loving father. Sometimes masungit po siya when it comes to our use of too much gadgets. He is a very supportive dada and malambi. He's funny and makes us laugh. He always makes sure that we have breakfast and merienda. He always buy taho, lugaw, and fries. We like to watch movies together, especially horror. Even when he's busy, he takes us to school before going to work. Dada, thank you for everything. We are so proud of you. Happy Father's Day. For me, you are the best dada in the world. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
Ain't nobody this tough, don't be careful. Tatay ko, si Tito Sen. He's a very humble person. Talagang walang yabang sa kanyang katawan at napakalambing na ama sa amin, ng mga kapatid ko, pati sa kanyang mga apo at higit sa lahat sa aming mommy. Lagi siya nagpapatawa, nagmamagic para i-make sure na masaya kami lahat pagkasama namin siya. We always feel safe and secure when we are with our tatay.
Tatay ko si Vic Soto. Simple lang siya, minsan tahimik, minsan naman kalog. Sweet daddy at maunawain sa aming magkakapatid. Kapag kailangan namin ng advice niya, hindi siya nawawala at sinisigurado niyang present siya kapag kailangan namin siya. Thank you, Daddy, for everything. Mahal na mahal ka naming lahat. Happy Father's Day.
Tatay ko si Joey De Leon. Siya ay masipag, mapagmahal, malambing, maalahanin, at mapagbigay. Thank you, Daddy, for everything. As always, I hope you remain healthy and happy in whatever you're doing. I love you so much. Happy Father's Day.
Walang iiyak! Tuwang-tuwa yung mga daddy niyo. Tawagin natin sila. Mga daddy!
Let's go, Tower Kids at Dr. Karen Main. Tower Kids, Paolo, Kira, Yesha, and with Ate Shana.
Isa lang ko sabi ko, mga anak kayo ng tatay niyo.
Ay, tabihan niyo yung mga anak niyo.
Daddy nyo. Yan. Happy Father's Day.
O, sino mga napabate?
Ayan.
Itong dalawang anak ko. Itong dalawang anak ko muna.
Makikitatay ko muna.
Proxy, walang tatay to is.
Bakit tatay ka muna, Shireen?
Oo nga po eh.
Greet nyo.
Ay, Tatay Vic, Happy Father's Day po sa inyo at saka kay Tatay Joey na ang mga second dads ko. And to my dad, wherever you are, na-joke na, dyan po siya sa ano. Daddy, Happy Father's Day. I love you so much. Thank you for everything. And I really won't last a day without you. I love you so much.
Oops.
Danix?
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sacrifices mo para sa aming mga anak mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy Father's Day from me, Oyo, Vico, Paulina, Tali, and Baby Mochi.
Okay.
Joka!
Ganda mo, ha? Ganda mo.
Pahiya, no?
Oh, okay. Okay lang. Ayos lang. Tira!
Pero Happy Father's Day. You know naman na kahit minsan frenemies tayo, super love kita. You know naman that.
2-5, 2-5.
You're my no kidding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're-
Love you din.
Yeah, I
Love you.
love
Hindi ka ba proud kumanta live si Joka?
Oh my God, live.
Ang lakas ng nervyos.
Maganda naman lumabas eh.
And Happy Father's Day to everyone. All the
Okay.
fathers out there.
Thank you, Jok.
Thank you, Joka.
Ay! Kira! What's your message to your...
Kira.
Kira, mamiki daw, sabi ni Bossy.
Miyak. Ay. Yan,
Happy
iyak tuloy
Father's
sa
Day po,
Kira.
Daddy. Salamat po sa lahat ng ginagawa po sa akin. I will always love you forever.
Iyak. Iyak kita.
Naiyak ako kasi parang mahuhulog na yung damit mo, Ana. Sa akin kasi to eh. Sa akin to, di ba?
Ha, talaga ba?
Secured yan, Mama Pao.
Ayesha!
Thank you, Kira. Yesha.
Greet your dad. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Dada. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
May tanong lang ako sa daddy mo. Pag ini-English ka ba ng anak mo, anong sagot mo English din?
Pass.
Basta sinasabi ko, wala mo na mag-i-English. I have a headache. Parang natigil mo na.
Di ba natin, no?
Pass for today.
Wow!
Thank you, Yesha.
Anong message mo kay papa mo? Ba't hindi ka naka-main buleche?
Hindi siya kami-main bulan.
Antayin mo, Fred.
Happy
Yes,
Father's
Paolo.
Day pa. Happy Father's Day. Salamat
Baka
sa pagmamahal
boses,
sa amin at mahal na mahal ka namin mga anak mo. At ang wish ko ay sana good health. Good health. At yan, mahal na mahal kita pala.
Narito naman yung mensahe ng anak ni Alan.
Kunyari, ikaw yung anak. Anong mensahe mo? Anak, anong mensahe mo sa akin?
Daddy, sana mawala ka na sa mundo.
Naiyak siya, oh.
Natuwa lang ako.